Hi, Leah here at my sewing room in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I am one of our machine people here at the store who happens to love doing embroidery. And if you can find me a tool to make embroidery faster and easier and more efficient, I am in. Let's explore all those fabulous accessories that make embroidery so much better. Today we're going to be talking about the Brother tubular frame table. So most of the Brother machines, the 10 needles, come with a big wide table, and that's to support bigger, heavier projects and to support the hoops and frames while you're embroidering. However, sometimes you're working on a project that is still heavy, but rather tubular and enclosed, and you can't get it on a table and embroider at the same time. So that's where the tubular frame table comes in. It is designed to work with things like sleeves and closed objects like hoodies, where you can't unzip to lay that project out flat on a different table. So sleeves or pant legs, potentially a big heavy bag. These are all items that could benefit from the use of the tubular frame table. So when you get a tubular frame table, it comes out of the box looking kind of like so. And the great thing about this particular accessory is no firmware updates are required to install it. It is just a table. So it will slide on super easily and help hold up your projects. It has an extension that will pull out and make this a nice long work surface to help hold up your hoops. And you can still get all those cool tubular items that you might want to embroider on over the free arm of your machine. So this will work on machines such as the Brother PR1055X, which is the machine that I'll be showing you on today, and other current Brother models, including the PR680W, the PR1X, and the PRS100. So all of those machines, as well as select older models, will benefit from having one of these installed when necessary. Let's go over to the machine and we'll get this tubular frame table installed, and I'll show you what you might be looking for on screen to assist you. As we come over to the machine and you get ready to install your tubular table, there's a gray handle on the bottom that you can pull to engage the lower bed. This is actually what's going to help hold the tubular table on the machine, because as it releases, it's going to clamp down on the free arm of your machine. So once that's down, this will slide right on, and then you can let go of the gray handle. Some of the great features of the tubular table is that you can hold heavier projects up, including sleeves and pant legs. The arm of that tubular table can extend outward to hold longer projects at whatever length you need. And you can still easily access the bobbin case in case you need to do a thread change. For removal, once again, you're going to grab that gray handle to lower that bottom plate and pull the tubular table off the machine. Ready to be put aside and carry on with your next project. And on select current models of Brother Entrepreneur machines, in the user settings, you can tell the machine which table is being used. So our user settings are located with the icon that looks like a sheet of paper. And we're going to scroll until we see table options. On page 4, we can see attached table. And our options on this menu are no table, wide table, which is the standard table that comes with the PR1055X, or the tubular frame table. This just lets the machine know what table is installed and can account for that as it's stitching. With the tubular table attached, and in this case, I've got the magnetic flash frame installed, you can see that the edge of this hoop closest to you when you're standing at the machine is much better supported. No matter how heavy this project is, this is not going to droop. Over the lifetime of your machine, having big heavy objects not supported while you're embroidering can cause wear and tear on the attachment points in your driver or in your embroidery arm. So this is a great little accessory to support those projects and keep your hoops level, which will improve your stitch quality throughout your embroidery experience. So anytime you have those weird closed objects, this is a little hoodie that we'll embroider in another video, get that tubular frame table installed and watch your projects come to life. So there you have it. That is the tubular frame table installed on our machine and ready to support all the crazy projects we want to embroider that need some support because they're heavy, but not necessarily the entire wide table because they're an enclosed object. If you would like to see another video featuring the tubular frame table on a real project in action, check out our video embroidering names and applique numbers on teamwear using the Brother PR1055X right up here. Right there, click there, and you can go watch that other video. You can also watch this video featuring the magnetic flash frames, which will be the frame we're using in that project as well. Thank you so much for joining me here at my sewing room. We look forward to supporting your embroidery journey and your embroidery business as you find more, better, and efficient ways to bring embroidery to life for all your customers' needs. If you enjoyed today's video and you want to see more Brother PR videos, Brother multi-needle videos, or you know someone who would like to start their own embroidery business, give us a little thumbs up, a like, a heart. We love comments. Happy to answer any questions, and hit the bell for notifications and hit that subscribe button. Do all the YouTube things and you'll never miss another Brother PR1055X video. Thank you so much. See you again.